J-10C, a game changer in modern air combat. The J-10C, also known as Vigorous Dragon, represents a major leap in China's fourth-generation fighter capabilities. Designed by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, this single-engine, multi-role fighter is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, a powerful AESA radar, KLJ-10A, and advanced electronic warfare systems. Its sleek delta-wing design with canards offers high maneuverability, allowing it to compete with some of the best 4.5-generation fighters in the world, including the Indian Rifle and the American F-16 Block 70/72. What truly makes the J-10C a game-changer is its weaponry. It can carry a full suite of Chinese precision-guided munitions, including the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range, BVR, air-to-air missile, which boasts a range exceeding 200 km, outclassing many Western counterparts. In close-range dogfights, the PL-10 infrared-guided missile gives the J-10C superior agility and accuracy. Its network-centric warfare capability enables it to operate as part of a larger battle group, sharing real-time data with other fighters, drones, and command centers, significantly enhancing situational awareness. Moreover, the integration of WS-10B engines, which are domestically produced and feature thrust vectoring capabilities in upgraded variants, improves speed, climb rate, and overall performance. This reduces reliance on foreign technology and represents China's growing aviation independence. The aircraft also features reduced radar cross-section elements, making it harder to detect compared to older generation fighters. For countries like Pakistan, which inducted the J-10C into the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, this aircraft fills the gap between light combat fighters like the JF-17 and heavyweight platforms like the F-16. Its arrival has significantly altered the regional air power equation, giving Pakistan a credible response to India's Rifle fleet. In summary, the J-10C is not just another fighter jet, it's a symbol of China's modern air power, a strategic multiplier for allies, and a serious contender in the 21st century skies. Its combination of agility, firepower, and smart avionics makes it a game changer on any battlefield.